In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can group things on canva.com. So if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. So first I'm going on canva.com. Then you can see here is a design I open on my PC. So just I need to create a group, right? So just click on an image, then click on control, then click on A. Control plus A, you can see this is a group option. Just click on group. Now you can move it here. It's a group already created. So when you remove this ungroup, then you can work specifically and separately, otherwise this is not possible. So this is a method you can create group things on canva.com. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.